guys, my name is Ernie, your virtual assistant here at Emerging Virtual Assistant. And today, I'm gonna teach you about the basic graphic design. Let's go! Hi everyone. Today I'm going to teach you how to do a basic graphic design using Canva. I'm actually using the Canva app. You can make it directly through the website, or you can use the application. And for this one, we are using the application of our Canva. So let's start. First, you need to decide which project you would like to make. To start with, you can click this one and create a design. So you can choose which project would you like to make. But for this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to make a presentation. Like we are usually using the Microsoft PowerPoint, but for this one, this is actually a little bit advanced. This is advanced because you have lots of choices to use. Like here, we have templates. We have templates that we can use. Which design are we going to make? You can actually choose different designs. Like for this one, you have signs if you're going to use it for your school, or if you have projects that's asking you to make a presentation for the school, like a teacher or anyone would like to ask you to do something like this one. And a good thing about this is that you can edit the designs, customize its color, and you can also customize the layout. So for this one, there's nothing here. So let's try. For this project, we're gonna use the business. So let's find business. Lots to choose from. You just have to click this arrow here, so you can browse lots of different designs that you can use. And for this one, again, we're gonna use business designs. So here, let's click business here. And before that, I'm gonna check each of the buttons here. As you can see, there are templates, elements, uploads, text, photos, styles, audio, videos, background, Google Drive, YouTube, and etc. There's lots of options. You just have to scroll it up and down. And the elements, you can actually, if you have to add something on your presentation, you can choose lots of elements here. At first, let's try this template. Let's see. Which template would you use? So to find which one I actually like. Okay, let's see. Okay, I like to choose okay, this one, or maybe this one. Okay, and inside the templates, there's lots of pages that you can choose which design to choose. It's actually complete. There's a cover, and this one is the last page for your presentation. So here, let's see. I'll try to use this one. Okay, now you can customize the color. Just have to click this one, and then here you see this. You can actually change the color. Let's see, this one. You can do this, and that one. You can scroll down. There are different color palette that you can choose, or if the color that you want is not here, you can actually add another palette. Let's say for this one, you can actually choose, you can just click this plus button, and then you can add more color, which one would you like. And also, you can search it directly. If you have the code, you can search it directly. Like for this one, I'd like to use my friendly color, which is for okay, it's this one. So I'm gonna use this one, and then you can actually also change this one. It's actually an image, so you can change the color. We can change the color. Let's see. Yeah, it's an image. So if you want to edit it, you can click this button, the edit image, and then you can choose which one would you like here. There's a lot. You just have to, check each of this. For this one, you can choose the colors, different colors. Let's see, this one like that. It's gonna change. And also this one. It actually depends on what you like. So let's go back. You have lots to choose from. And you just have to explore. And for this one, this is an image. So we can actually change the one. Just have to remove the image, and then you can find another one. You can click the elements and find an image like say business. Let's switch to business. Okay, and you want a photo. So if you want to change it, just have to click this one and drag it here, and see, it's there. And for this one, you just have to click this one too and change its color. This time you're gonna use black. Yeah, I think I'm gonna use the 00. Here. Yeah, there. Okay, there. And then you can also change the color of this one to your branding. Like I'm gonna use this one. Also this one. And you can also change the font. You can change the font color depending on color you want. You also have choices here by the different fonts. Time to check and explore which one would you like to use depending on your design. This one, let's try this one. Okay, it's changed. Also this one, let's put it to the branding color, and then change the font to and you can actually create your own design if you don't want to use template. You would like to do it from scratch. You can actually do it. And if you want to add like another logo or a picture from your computer, you can actually upload it here. Here, you can do it, upload files, and then you can choose it from there, which folder would you get it from. It's there, and then click on it. And then let's try one further. Okay, simple. So I just have to open it, and then there, it's uploading. And once it is uploaded, you can actually add it here to use it like that. So it's easy as that. Or if you want to add another font, or not really font, but text, you can just click here. We also have here design that you could choose from if you want the fonts that has design already. You can choose this one. Just have to click on it. And say, for example, maybe like this one. It's there, and just have to edit the letters or the word that is in there. So, say for example, do this. Yeah, it's just like that. It's as easy as that. And for the photos, here have lots of photos to choose from, different designs. And then here for styles, here you can actually choose your palettes here. So already a font here and color. So have to choose which one you'd like to use. And if you want to add, like say for example, you're making a video and then you're going to add music, you can just search here. You can try to search the audio. Like say for example, instrumental. There's lots of choices to choose from. Just have to click on the play button to listen to that music. And internet connection is a little bit slow, so it's not playing. Yeah, it's not playing. But there. So you have to choose from there, or you can also choose from the suggestion here. And the recently used music is gonna appear here. You can choose lots of music here, depending on the project that you're gonna be making. Like that. If you're going to add it, you just have to click on the music and you just have to drag it here to your project. Yeah, as you can see, it's here already. Just playing like that. And also, aside from that, if you also want to add a video, you can also add video here. From the elements, you can also do that. I can try to search videos. There are different videos here. You can choose from. There's graphics, there's also photos, videos, audios. Just have to check which one would you need to add in your project. And also for the videos, you can also choose from the one that is already existing on the video folder, and you can just click on it and drag it over here. It's the same thing. like that, and it's already there. And also, if you want to try to listen to your audio or video, you can actually adjust the volume here. And if you want to see if your project is working and how it looks when it's already presented, you can actually try to use the play button here. If it's a video, it's gonna show you a play button, but then you can actually use this one, the present full screen. And then once you do that, there, that's how your project is going to look. And then you just have to exit, and then if you need to add something else, you can just browse the application. It's as easy as that. And also, if you want to change the fonts of your letters here or words here, you have a lot to choose from. The alignment, and do it left or right or center, or you have to make it bulleted here, music, or the spacing here. You would also add effects, like say for example, this one is shadow. Here, have lots to choose from. It's here. And also, if you want to animate it, say for example, this one, to animate it, actually how it would look like that. You can just click on it. It's going to be added directly. Okay. If you're gonna have it full screen, it's gonna look like that. So there, I think I covered most of the basic. And if you want to know more, or if you want to be updated, you can actually subscribe and click the notification bell on my page, my YouTube page, and then you'll be updated on my next tutorial. That would be all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great one. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click the like button, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Till my next video, bye-bye!